Hello there, Layla here with another tutorial about Copper CRM. I'm today going to answer a very basic question, but sometimes these are the ones that stump us. And it's, how do you send an email with Copper if I don't want to go out to Gmail? If I want to just stay within the web app, I know I can open Gmail in the other tab and it'll send it and it'll all be connected because I have the handy dandy Chrome extension. But I don't want to do that. How do I actually go about sending an email in here? So again, basic question. You can use search to search for a person and click on them, or you can look at them another way, try to find them up through leads. Either way, you want to click on a person's information and open their detail pane. So this is like the big dog detail pane. So if I just click on the name, it'll put a little sidebar up. But then after the sidebar, you can click into it a little bit more. Launch full page. And it'll open the super detail pane, the whole dedicated place just for this person. And I find this the easiest place to do this because once you do, you'll see a big old button that says send email. And this looks a lot like Gmail, and that's not an accident, where you can actually put your subject. You can add CCs or BCCs, people that you want to include on the email. You can add attachments. Oop, there's all my files. And you can also add all of your email templates. If you have any meeting schedulers set up, you can also add them in here. Here we go. You can customize things, which is nice. And you can just add that in here as a little button that they'll be able to click. And then you can click send. And that's how you send emails from Copper. I know that was a anticlimactic video because it's really that simple. Creating notes is the same way, and logging activity that's manually done is also the same way. I'm not spelling things right, but that's fine. That's 2 days ago. I'm bad at data entry. So you can have all this in here and keep track of all of your information within Copper without having to go anywhere else. So if you wanted to not really use Gmail for your actual follow-up, you don't have to. But of course, if you want to, all the same information shows up within Google as well, within the Gmail. Google Gmail, you know what I meant, here as well. And that's how you send an email. So you can do the same thing from your phone, similar process, just look up the person and send the email from your phone. So that's it for this video. If you have questions, leave them. I'm sure this was short and sweet. So if you have anything, feel free to send it my way.